Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Incarnation. Today we are diving into the world of local AI with Ollama, your gateway to running powerful language models directly on your machine. In this video, I'll introduce you to Ollama, walk you through the installation and running your first Ollama model, and then explore the rich model library to help you choose the right model for your needs. Let's get started. First of all, what exactly Ollama is? In a nutshell, Ollama is a user-friendly tool that lets you run large language models like LLaMA locally on your computer. Unlike cloud-based AI, running models locally means improving privacy, lower latency, and significant cost saving. You don't have to rely on expensive cloud services, and your data stays on your machine. Ollama supports several popular models and use cases, from creating text generation and coding assistants to interactive chat experiences. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, Ollama opens up endless possibilities for you. And the best part, setting it up is straightforward. Ollama is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, complete with step-by-step installation guides and troubleshooting tips. In today's demo, we will install Ollama and we will run a simple Hello World model to get things rolling. This is the Ollama website. From here, you can select the type of OS that you want Ollama to be installed. For now, I'm having Windows and I'll be using Ollama on my Windows machine. So you can simply click on download. It will start the download. Once it is downloaded, you can simply follow the steps to install the Ollama on your machine. To start Ollama on your machine, you can simply go to search and search for Ollama application. If it is already running, you can see it on your taskbar like this. I'm having Ollama and it is running. To verify the Ollama version, you can simply type the command Ollama space -v. This will give you the version of your Ollama version that you are currently running. And if you want to pull a specific image from Ollama server, you can use the command Ollama pull, and here you can give your image name that you want to pull. We'll go back to Ollama website and see what are the available models. If you go to Models tab in the Ollama website, you can see plenty of models out there. You can choose any one of them as per your hardware so that you won't get any trouble running these models on your local. Let's try to pull this Qwen 2.5 from the Ollama models. I'll be using the 1.5 billion model, and the command to pull this model will be Ollama pull, then the model name. I'll copy the model name and go to the terminal again, and we'll say Ollama pull. It will take some time to pull this model from the Ollama server. It may depend on the download speed that you are having or your internet connection. The Qwen 2.5 model is downloaded on my machine, and I can see that it's showing in the Ollama list also. Ollama list will be the command that you can use to list all the models out there on your local machine. So Qwen 2.5 is the latest model that I have downloaded, and its size is around 986 MB. Let's test this Ollama with Qwen 2.5. So the command to test this will be Ollama run Qwen 2.5 1.5 billion model. Ollama run this model name. Then we can say hello. This is a simple prompt that we used with Qwen 2.5 with a hello prompt with a hello message, and the output is the same. Let's test some more things on this Qwen 2.5 model. We will say Ollama run the model name, and we will be inside the model. So we can say some messages, for example, like hi. Okay, pretty good. The response time is very good. So here you can experiment with this Qwen 2.5 model by prompting some questions that you want to ask. For example, we'll say write a Python code to create a Fibonacci. The speed is quite fast, I would say. So it has given you a pretty good response. It has given you the complete Python code, as well as it has also explained how to run for the first 50 numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. And it has explained you the model, how it works and all. Okay, that was good. So just to exit from this model, you can use the command slash forward slash then bye, that is simplify, and you will be out from the model. Whether you choose to chat interactively or supply script inputs, Ollama makes it simpler to generate text on demand. This part of process is perfect for testing ideas, experimenting with prompts, and understanding how different commands affect the model output. Once you are comfortable by running the model on your command line or terminal, it's time to explore model library. You can simply go to your Ollama website and go to the models tab here, and you can explore any of the model that you want to run on your local. Make sure that you choose the model that is compatible with your hardware requirements. You should not use any high-end model on your machine which is not compatible or which is not effective to run that particular model. When choosing a model, consider your hardware setup. Some models require more RAM or GPU. Ollama library help you to match the right model to your hardware by ensuring optimal performance without overwhelming your system. Imagine comparing two models on the same prompt. One might give you a creative story, while the other produces detailed technical instructions. This flexibility allows you to experiment and select the models that best suits your specific task. To wrap up, today we have learned that Ollama is a powerful tool that brings local AI to your desktop, giving you enhanced privacy, speed, and more cost efficiency. You can easily install Ollama on Windows, macOS, or Linux and run your first model using simple CLI commands. And finally, by exploring Ollama's extensive model library, you can choose a wide range of models available to download and you can simply start working with them as per your need. Whether you need coding assistance or engaging dialogues, all tailored to your hardware capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and click the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Ollama, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.